Magandang hapon, it's Monday afternoon, and tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's have phrases in Tagalog for encouragement. Let's start. First one, magpagaling ka, magpagaling ka, magpagaling ka, magpagaling ka, get well soon. Second one, if you wanna say, I'm here for you, andito ako para sa'yo, andito ako para sa'yo, andito ako para sa'yo. Or, you wanna say, we're all here for you, andito kami para sa'yo, andito kami para sa'yo, andito ako para sa'yo, andito kami para sa'yo. Pangatlo, third one, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Or, if you're talking to the whole family, or if you're talking to the sick and someone in the family, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Fourth one, if you wanna suggest or you want them to try something, you can say, subukan mo, walang mawawala. Subukan mo, walang mawawala. Subukan mo, give it a try. Walang mawawala. There's nothing to lose. Subukan mo, walang mawawala. And don't forget to say, magdasal ka lang. May awa ang Diyos. Magdasal ka lang. May awa ang Diyos. Let's say that again. Magdasal ka lang. May awa ang Diyos. You can also say, magpakatatag ka. Magpakatatag ka. Magpakatatag ka. Be strong. Magpakatatag ka. Don't give up. Huwag kang susuko. Andito kami para tumulong. Andito kami para tumulong. Don't give up. We're here to help. We're here to help. Huwag kang susuko. Andito kami para tumulong. And last one, if you wanna say, fight. Lumaban ka. Lumaban ka. Lumaban ka. Or you can also say, lumaban ka. Kaya mo yan. Fight. You can do it. Lumaban ka. And that's all for our Learn Tagalog video. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!